All right, how is everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for everyone. And tonight, what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions video. And in particular, we have an unboxing and first impressions of a video microphone production kit. Okay, so this is my unboxing and first impressions of the KF Concept video microphone production kit with tripod and CM600 microphone. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to let everyone know, in the interest of full disclosure, this is another Amazon Vine product. So this product came in via the Amazon Vine program, and all I have to do is write up and publish a full written review on Amazon with my honest opinions, and then this product is mine to keep. All right? So I just wanted to let everyone know that, in the interest of full disclosure. That being said, I do not know the pricing on this one, but I will have all the pricing and availability linked up down below in the video description, as I always do. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, we're just going to get some housekeeping out the way before we dive in. So this video is being recorded using the rear-facing primary 64 megapixel camera on the LG V60. This is being recorded in 1080p 60 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, and we are using this in the microphones in voice bokeh mode. So please let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. And as always, if you enjoyed the video and or you find it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. All right, housekeeping done, let's go ahead and dive straight in. Now, before we unbox this bad boy, let's talk about the packaging. Now, KF, you guys did a great job. I actually think this is some really nice packaging. So you can see we got some really nice company branding up front here. And then it just lets you know what this kit can be used for. All right, so it is compatible with your smartphones and your DSLR cameras. And or if you want to connect it up to your laptop and do a podcast, do a stream, anything like that, this kit will work for that. So it's really, really nice. And then just below that, you do get to see everything that's all included. So we get the microphone, the M600, we get the smartphone mount, and we get the tripod, okay, with all of the connectors for our smartphone and or our DSLR cameras. So really, really nice stuff there, okay? And then we got a nice little company slogan right down here at the bottom, looking real good, real clean. I like it. I like the color scheme. I like the layout. Really good stuff there, in my overall opinion. Flipping it to the side, we just got the company logo right here. Flipping it to the back, we do have some more information right here, along with a detailed breakdown of everything that comes in the box, and then the company website. All right, feel free to pause and read this for yourself. I'm going to leave it here for about 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, good stuff. More company branding on this side, and that's about it. Now, all I've done, as with all of my videos, I cracked all the tapes and seals off camera, and I boxed it back up just to make it a little bit easier and quicker unboxing and first impressions. So let's go ahead and slide this bad boy out and see everything that comes included. All right, here we go. All right, kind of stuck in the box there. Yeah, she's in there good. Alright, hold on. Let me pause. Let me get it out the box. I'll be right back. Alright, after 2 minutes of struggling, we are back. So you can see I got everything out of the box here. Box is empty. Let's go ahead and put this off to the side. Okay. And now let's go ahead and walk through everything that comes in the package. So as I said, we have all of our cables. So inside of this package here is the cables to connect the mic to our DSLR camera, or the cables to connect our mic to our smartphone. Then right next to that, we have the microphone itself. Inside of its dead cat or dead kitty or windscreen, whatever you want to call this. So here's the microphone, right? Then we have the shock mount for the microphone right here. And you can see it does have a cold shoe mount on it, meaning that you can mount it on anything with a cold shoe. All right, so that's that. Let's rest that there. Then we have the smartphone mount right here. And you can see it does have a standard thread, so you can mount it on standard tripods or anything like that. And to open it up, you just flip this down, flip this up, and you're good to go. And this is spring loaded, so it should fit a variety of different smartphones. Okay, good stuff there. And it does tilt. I'm going to show y'all the tilt mechanism in a minute. And you can see it does have a cold shoe mount on it as well. So you can easily mount up the microphone to this smartphone mount right here. So let's rest that down. Okay. And then we have the tripod right here with some company branding on it. Real nice in my overall opinion. I like that. So really, really nice tripod. Let me open it up for y'all. Really, really nice build quality. Really good stuff in my opinion. All right, and that's everything that comes inside of the package here. Okay, and then I do believe we get a user manual as well. Yes, we do. So we do get a standard user manual in here as well. This will walk you through everything that you need to know. And we're going to go ahead and go over everything you need to know in the full review. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, so let's throw this off to the side. Let's also take the user manual out of here. Okay. And now let's go ahead and assemble everything for you guys. Now, you can use the microphone with the windscreen on it, or you could take it off. It's completely up to you. Here's the mic plug right here. So what we would do is, first things first, we got to open this and decide what we want to use. So if you have a DSLR camera, you're going to use this scrunchie cable right here, and everything is nicely labeled here. So let me show you. You can see it does say camera on one end, and then it says microphone on the other. And this is the cable that's used for your DSLR. Really good stuff there. And or if you're using your smartphone, then you would use this cable right here. And again, it is very nicely labeled. So you can see right here, it does say smartphone right there, which is upside down. So you can see it right there. It says phone. And then over here, it says mic. Okay. Just so you know which end goes where. Really, really nice stuff there. Okay, let's take this plastic out of here. And now let's begin the assembly process. So first thing you want to do is assemble the tripod and the smartphone mount. So that just screws onto here, or any tripod or what have you that has a standard thread. Boom. So that's how you connect the tripod and the smartphone mount. And this does tilt. This does actuate to give you different angles. So that's really nice as well. Okay. So that's that. Now we just want to get the microphone put together. Now all you have to do is slide this on the shock mount. So we want to slide it up a little bit. And then you want to line it up and clip it on. Okay. Let me do this off camera so y'all don't see me struggle too much. And I'll be right back. So I'll see y'all in a second. And we are back. That literally took me a few minutes because I had to struggle with clipping it on. But you just slide your dead cat up. You clip it onto the neck here. Then you slide your dead cat down or your windscreen down. And now your microphone is put together on the shock mount. So good stuff there. And then you just have to decide which orientation you want to mount it on the smartphone mount here. So we're just going to slide it into place. And then you screw it down to tighten it up. So you can mount it this way to record some really nice rear-facing audio, or if you unscrew it and slide it out, you can spin it around and mount it this way and tighten it back down just like that. And then you can get some really nice rear-facing audio. So it's completely up to you how you want to do that. All right? Then all you need to do is take any one of your smartphones. Now I got my 2 production smartphones on deck. So this is my regular S7. And then we have my S7 Active right here. These are the 2 devices that I regularly produce content with. So you would take your smart device, and now you just want to be mindful of where your power button and your volume rockers are. You want to line it up. Hold the bottom. Okay. Fold the bottom down and hold it. Okay. So you don't want that to slide around. Make sure it's clear. And then you slide it up and in. And that's it. That's how you install your smartphone into the mount here. Now we can just go like this and rest it down. Then we would just take our smartphone to microphone cable here. Let me unscrew this. All right. I should have really did this off camera to make it quicker. But we're just going to take this off. And you just follow the labels. So this end goes into the microphone. So we're just going to do that now. And it clicks into place. And then the other end would go into your smartphone. As you can see here, it is nicely labeled, so you can't mess that up. So we're just going to turn it. And then we're going to plug it in to the headphone jack right here. Boom. And my smartphone did flash because it did recognize it. So you can see it did flash. And now we're ready to go. All right. And then if I jump into the camera here, okay, and we go to video, now you would want to position the cable so it's out of the viewfinder. So something like that. So the cable is really nicely tucked out of the viewfinder there. And now if I go to start a video, okay, you can see recording audio from connected microphone. We got that notification. And now it's ready to go. All right. So this is a nice little production kit or audio kit or what have you for content creators or anybody looking into producing something with their smartphone or their DSLR camera. This is a nice little kit for that. All right. So real quick unboxing, real quick first impressions and assembly. And yeah, that pretty much does it for this video here. Now, this review should probably take me about 2 weeks from the posting of this video. Y'all know how I do when I do my microphone reviews. We're going to go through everything you need to know, and we're actually going to test out this microphone in a few different scenarios and compare it up to some other microphones that I have. And then I'm going to let y'all know whether or not it's worth picking up. Now, prior to that video going live, there will be a written review going up on Amazon first, just so y'all know. And that's just going to be a quick and concise written review detailing all the important things that I think it's important to know about this production kit here. All right. So that pretty much brings an end to this unboxing and first impressions. And as I said earlier, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Here, let's lay this out for the closeout. So let's stand them up just like that. And we're ready to go. There it is. All right. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.